Yeah, you see how it came. Strap's kind of messed up, but you guys can see how it came. Oh, you know what, Maida? This thing's way up there. Let's see if I can. Oh man, it is what it is. There's no other thing I can do, because let me hit it one more time. Yeah, that's fine. I think that hole on that one is more down, but yeah, once we get the front, it'll even out. Hold on, let me see. Let's see if we can bring it more to. See if we can bring it more to the back, Maida. Just a little bit, okay? Right there. That's too low, man. That's just, let's see. Then we'll bring it from the top. Wow. See how that looks. Yep. They're all different. Let me get that drill. It is what it is, man. Just gonna have to do it like that. There's no other way to do it but the way I'm doing it. Get a washer. So it came with four of these. Wow. Looks like this Humvee was crashed or something. Nothing else. I'm gonna end up cutting these. They're too long. People are gonna get injured with that big thing sticking out like that. There it is. All right, now we're gonna take the strap to the middle. Okay. All right. Close the door and then open the front ones, okay? Hold on, don't pull it. Hold on. All right. You're gonna have to open the front doors. Hold on. Okay. Okay, go. Close the door. Okay. You need more slack? There? Alright. Now open the front doors. Alright. We're gonna go right here in the middle. Right here. Right here. Yeah, right there. Okay, ready? Okay, that looks even. That looks even right there. I think it went all the way down. Let's see this side over here. Yeah, this side needs to come down more. So we'll put a screw on that side. Make it better. Oh man, I hope I'm not on top of the hose. That's gonna be a drag. Did I leave the... Oh, hold on. Oh, thank God. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 2 screws and go to the other side. What I think I'm gonna do is drill the hole, because that's actually real hard aluminum. I don't know why, man. It's give me a small drill bit. I'm gonna have to use a bigger screw there now. Yeah. I'm glad I found that out. It's supposed to be this one. That doesn't go up, man. Okay. See if it stays down. I've been thinking of drilling one here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna drill one right here. They don't have one here, but it's gonna go up. So I'm gonna drill the hole right here. And I forgot to put a washer on the top one. I'll put a washer now. These are to stop it from leaking. So as you can see, you gotta modify your own stuff because it's not always gonna be that easy. Come on, you're playing tough. Come out or what? So you gotta modify your own stuff, man, because they don't, like I said, they're not all the same. I think this one was crooked actually. Now if I let go of the strap, just because I put this screw here, it's not gonna go back up, and I can do the other side.